I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Update WhatsApp in your phone OS, connect to Wi-Fi, and plug in the charger. Once done, open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Chats and Chat Backup. Choose Google Drive or iCloud account now. This links where your backup will go. Make sure you select Include Videos if you need them, but remember that increases size. Now press Backup to create your first manual copy. This initializes the cloud archive, so future backups can be incremental. Now configure the details so backups run smoothly. Select your preferred frequency, daily is safest, and pick the specific Google or iCloud account. Once you choose Include Videos, make sure you have enough cloud space because media consumes most storage. During the upload, watch the progress indicator and keep Wi-Fi stable. Interruptions can corrupt the archive. If you need to free space, delete large chat media first. Make sure the phone stays on and unlocked until the backup completes to avoid partial saves. To finish, install WhatsApp on your device, verify the same phone number, and when prompted, tap Restore to pull messages from the cloud. This rebuilds chats and media. If the restore fails, stop and check that you're signed into the correct Google or iCloud account, confirm enough cloud storage, and switch to a stronger network. For Android, you can also restore from a recent local backup stored on your device. Remember, one key tip: if problems persist, reupload a fresh manual backup from the original device and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.